Let me share you how I started vlogging. The first thing that I did was to just use my phone. So every night before I go to sleep, I try practicing talking in front of the camera. Journaling about my day, my week. What are my thoughts during that time? Yeah, I just try to talk. I know that I will not use it for any vlog or any type of video. It's just for me. I'm just documenting my day or my week. Technically, that's vlogging. You're journaling about your day or your week, but in the form of video. The most important thing is you need to watch. It's cringy when you're watching yourself in the beginning, and you will notice some of the things that you would like to improve or change when you're talking. So do this regularly, and eventually you will start loving the way you talk in front of the camera. You'll develop your style, and you will develop a better way of communicating your ideas or your messages to the world. That tip alone could really get you started vlogging.